Hi everyone, this is Gloria Giraldo again with another recipe for you. Today we're going to have meatless chorizo vegetable black rice. Let's get started with the ingredients. Las personas que hablan español pueden encontrar los ingredientes y la receta completa en la descripción abajo del video. ¡Empecemos! Ingredients: black rice 1 cup, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped onion, half red bell pepper sliced in cubes, 4 cloves of garlic diced, 3 teaspoons of vegan chorizo of your preference, 6 stuffed olives cut in half, chopped cilantro, 1/4 cup, sliced half red bell pepper to decorate, 2 cups of warm water. For condimenting, we're gonna need sea salt, brown cumin, coconut oil, 1 big spoon. We're gonna add the oil and fry the onion for 2 minutes. We're gonna add the garlic, tomato, and red pepper. For 3 minutes with medium temperature. Now we're gonna add the chorizo and cumin, a little more cumin, for 3 more minutes. Okay, the rice is soaked from last night. We're going to pour it and blend it. Now we're going to add warm water. With high temperature. After 5 minutes boiling, we're gonna add the salt, but first we need to taste it because the chorizo was salty and I don't wanna put more salt if necessary. Yeah, we need more salt. Salt. And check it again. This rice has been cooking for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna add the olives and the cilantro. We're gonna blend everything again. And leave it with medium temperature. After everything is dry,
Oh my god, it's so delicious. You guys have to try this recipe for black rice. Black rice is one of the most overlooked foods in the world. Has a lot of nutrient value, has a lot of phytonutrients, It's a lot of phosphorus, has a lot of fiber. Yes, it's a form of carb, but it's gonna go right out. And all the goodies in it are so delicious. You have to try that. Once in a while, I like to basically join my food with some plantains. They're fried, they're sweet, granted. But that's just once in a while. I'll burn it all out through all the workouts that I do, so it's not really a concern. The soy chicken is delicious, a little salty. Have to take it easy on the salt. Watch the recipe. Follow the steps for the black rice, which is the most important thing. It's so delicious, it's so good. This recipe is a winner. Thank you for watching.